We visited EACOM's Elk Lake sawmill to find out how the company's $13 million investment is helping move the mill up the efficiency scale. While technology is a key part to improving the performance at Elk Lake, manager Mark Everard explains that it's only a starting point. Getting the mill to the efficiency level it needs is more about creating a winning culture.
You pour a bunch of money into a mill. In fact, that's the easiest part. It's only the beginning. And then the real challenge is getting everybody up to speed on how to get the most out of that equipment and the most value out of our fiber. And that's what we're right bang in the middle of. Our productivity is up a little over 30% in the 2.5-year period. In the sawmill, in the planer, following a similar process, 25% up in volume. A lot of work in tuning the barkers, a lot of work in getting to understand those canters with folks here, both from a maintenance and an operational perspective.
The Elk Lake Mill is part of EACOM's network of 4 sawmills in northeastern Ontario, allowing the company to optimize the fiber diet at each mill for the best overall efficiency.
We have 4 sawmills running within a couple hours of each other, so it's a great opportunity and a pretty good fiber basket here. Elk is kind of the flex mill because we have the capability to run logs similar to they use in Gogama and logs similar to what they use in Nairn and Timmins. Although we can't quite take the size because we don't have the room for side saws on the 12. So we peak at about an 18-inch log. 75% of our wood is under 6 inches in diameter. Where we are now is we're hitting all those targets that we intended when these lines were put in. We're a work in progress. We're about halfway to where we want to be. With the growth in mining industry across Canada, in the forest industry, while it pays steady, it can't match the wages that you get for 3 or 4 years while this mine or that mine's open. So we've lost some people to mines.
Everard explains that finding the right people with the right attitude has become a priority at Elk Lake as they ramp up performance.
We would rather run short-handed than settle for less than what we're looking for. So yeah, there's ongoing challenges, but for the most part, we have a pretty good group here. We have several vacancies, but we are not in a hurry to fill it. We will wait until we get what we want. Our target this year is $150 million in the sawmill. This is an interim target as we continue to realize the full potential of these lines. It's a journey. We actually slowed the machines down. Almost every unit in this site has been slowed down. Oh, and we're producing more. Why run faster if you can't keep them full? Same in the planer. We actually slowed things down and we run steadier. We're in the fun part now because the real heavy lifting has been done and now it's becoming easier and easier. Once you get the people that are aligned with the philosophy and adopt it and adjust to it, and they start winning, because the mill, the planer, the kilns, they're all in places they've never been before. Everyone starts having fun, and that's a good place.